Are you okay? Wake up. Oh, a horse trampled me. We'll find help, Archer. Really. What? I don't know what to do. Please, just go find help. You have to. Okay. Help! Help! Someone help! What is it? The White Wolf, whatever his name is again, the horse trampled him and he really needs help. He really needs help. What did you do this time? I did nothing. Promise me. I'll send you back to that farm. Now shush your snout. What did I do? I guess I don't really belong here. Ow. I'll just go. I'll go over here. Lord, are you okay? I'll take you back. Now, where did that dumb dog go? What dumb dog? Archer. Him. The one that apparently grew up and ran away. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. We were just sleeping here, talking about pups. Oh well, we don't really need a dog here. There's no object. I wonder when any more rescues are gonna come. I mean, I guess I might come up here. I can't wait to get a new sibling, Mama. Yeah, I guess so. Ah! It's a big monster! What the? Please don't hurt me! You're some dramatic pup, aren't you? What? I'm not a pup! I'm big and strong! What's wrong, little kid? I can help you. Whoa, Mama! Is that a puppy? Yes, son. Be nice to it. A dog. Why is there a dog here? Okay. Listen, man. Don't get any ideas. Well, I guess he can be part of the pack, Mittens. My name is not Mittens, to let you know. It's Sunburst. Well, sorry. Mittens! Stop it, son. Stop at night. Fine. Well, you can be part of our family. A family? Sure. As long as you don't be mean to me like my old family. What happened, honey? Seriously, don't call him honey. You think I care? Listen, let me talk. Okay, dude. What happened? Yeah, what happened? Oh, well, so I used to have this old owner, and he would beat me up every day. You dumb dog! then he abandoned me one day, and that's all what I remembered. And then I lived with a whole entire pack of mad wolves. And they used me as bait once. And one said, "Ugh, I'm tired of you, dog. I'm gonna find your old owner and send you back." Oh, honey, all here is just love, and we all love each other, honey. Really? Yes. Whoa, that's so cool! Ow, you literally hurt my ears. God, don't you know that animals are sensitive to loud dogs like you? Seriously. I'm sorry. Yes. You're sorry now. No, I shall be the mother of all you. Seriously, dude. I'm the mother. You're the mother of me. I'm a darn cat. Even though you're ginormous and could easily kill me, I really don't care. Okay, I guess you can go back out into the wild at the woods. No. Those you ain't gonna do that. That's not. Dude, that was kind of cringy, but okay. Ooh, what's that? And you need to be a dinosaur. And we don't want to tell him the truth. What? Lord. How about you girls go? Alright guys, did you hear that? Alright, I mean, yeah, sure. Please just watch after our pups. Yeah, mine was newly born. Can I ask why he literally flung up a rock? Yeah, he did.